I'm going to close the box because the worst thing you could do is knock this box over. Oh, talk about 52 card pickup. No, that's much easier than this. You wind up with little teeny parts all over the place. Now I'm going to go down here, I'm going to turn on the irrigation, and I'm going to run it for 3 minutes. And I'm going to see what happens. I can turn it off faster than that if I decide I've got water spraying everywhere. Hear it. And water is coming out in each of the containers. I think you can see this really well. Whee! It's got a nice steady little stream. What is best about this is that it's equal quantities in each container. Really equal quantities. It's not, you know, this one's squirting real hard and that's what the pressure compensating advantages are. These won't work unless they're a specific pressure, and when they work, they all work together. It's physics. The interior diameters and stuff are set to function in a specific way. That's it. Now, the only thing else I have to do, these are 2 gallons per hour. That means if I ran it for a half an hour, I would get a gallon of water. So the question I have to ask myself is, how much water do I want? And I think the answer is only a quart. So 15 minutes. So what I need to do once this is turned off is I will take a look at that to see how many minutes it's set for. And it should be set for 15 minutes, and that should make this perfect. It'll give each bucket here a quart of water. Now, long term, is that going to be enough? I don't know. That's the only honest answer I can give. Probably. I might start with it a little higher. I might start with, say, 18 minutes, just to give it a little bit more leeway. I don't want to drown them. But these are damp. I mean, it's already run today. Some of them have water in the bottom, some of them don't. Be patient, Jack, I'm almost done. Jack is pacing back and forth. I know he went to the bathroom on the way out, so that's not the problem. He just doesn't want to be in here anymore. Yum, cold water. But you need to do a little trimming in here. Just some more yucky looking leaves. I don't know where my cool little scissor is right this second. What's up, Jack? He says, I'm sad. I want to leave. Some of these nasturtium leaves accidentally wound up getting sunburned the other day because they had water splashed on them when I was watering them. So that's the reason they're looking yucky. I need to check the planting dates for some of this stuff to see when it should be ready to harvest sweet potatoes, stuff like that. I've got 3 really beautiful invincibles in here. See if anybody look particularly yucky in here. Just that leaf. And this leaf. And this leaf. I suspected I'd wind up taking a couple more of the cucumber leaves off, but I didn't want to do it all at once. I'll still wind up taking a few more off here, but look at this beautiful cucumber. Isn't that amazing? Woo! Gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, we've come to an end on this cycle here, and I'm looking to see if anything else really needs trimming. Like I say, there's a couple of nasturtium leaves that got sunburned the other day because they had water on them. That's it. That's what it takes to redo the system here. Now, can I redo the other system part? I don't think so. I'll have to think about that. I don't think I've got enough tubing or emitters. So I think that's going to have to wait until I get back from the store. I don't want to get halfway done and then be sort of stuck. But that's what it took. Not hard, not even that really super time consuming. Just a little bit of perseverance. And doing it systematically. The big thing is to make sure that if you've got 12 pots, that you put 12 emitters onto 12 pots. And they're all anchored and they're all squirting where you want them. And then I will double check the irrigation controller down there to make sure that it's getting, I will probably give it 18 minutes. That's not, it's a little bit more than a quart. Might even give it 20 minutes. I'll check. Anyway, hope you find this useful. Another project half done. And as you can see, these guys are already looking great. They really are. We've got invincibles turning red. We've got red robins continuing to produce. We've got the cucumbers back in force. And we've got a ton of fruit on our hocinators and other tomatoes. Some of our paste tomatoes, other than the invincible, are starting to turn. That's probably Granadero down there. They're going orange a little bit. So I expect we'll see them starting to ripen too. So yeah, I think it's going to be paste tomato sauce type time again soon enough. And we've been totally enjoying, to Deb and Bev, those tomatoes you gave us. Oh my gosh, we have eaten them 12 different ways. And lots of salads. Henry's had a whole stack of tomato sandwiches. I have not had any BLTs yet, but that's next on my list. We've been able to keep up with them. They're not all ripe yet, and that's perfect. So, until next time, keep brainstorming. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell because lots going on. You don't want to miss it. Bye. Excuse me, fuzzy butt. Boop, boop. This is what you calling me a fuzzy butt for. I'm calling you a fuzzy butt because your butt's fuzzy. Let me check this. Start time, run time. Station 1, 20 minutes. Station 2, 20 minutes. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. I'm going to take this stuff all back in the house. Whoop, whoop.